beard oil. Hey, my beautiful, sweet friends and beautiful souls of the world. Thanks for being here. Namaste and lots of love to you today. I hope you're doing really good, and I wish you and your loved ones and friends and family, your children and parents, and the best, beautifulest day ever. So, in this video, I want to talk about where we get our food from. And like I always teach my children, and say to my partner, my beloved soulmate too, is nature and the plants and God, source, spirit make our food, and we mix our food, and we prepare our food. So if we prepare almond milk, the blender mixes it up when we prepare it at home. We put the ingredients all together. We prepare it, but we didn't make any of that. We didn't make it. God, source, spirit made it. The plants made it. The ecosystem helped make it. They forged it in the warmth of the sun fire element, and all the earth energies, the spirits, the bacteria, the microbes, the fungi, the ants, the plants themselves, the trees, they all made it. And it's a beautiful gift. And when we think and say we make it, we totally usually overlook where it really came from. And that's also from God and spirit. Source, the energy of life, the invisible energy force within all beings and everything. That's where our food comes from, my friends. And of course, for those who don't get their source of energy from prana, like breatharians or pranic living beings, they're not eating, so they're not mixing anything. They're just simply getting direct subtle energy from the air, and from from God's source spirit itself also, and from Mother Earth air. So the air, earth, waters, and earth are all the elements in our food. So the rain, the rivers, the oceans, the mountains, and all the beautiful plants, like the trees, the almond tree, the tomato plants, the strawberry bush. It's all beautiful. So I actually really love to acknowledge this deeply in my heart. Every single time now, it's becoming deeper and deeper. The more I become in tune, and my third eye has opened up an awful lot lately too. For the first time ever, it's the most open. So Robin says yes, Foxy. Benjamin says volume very low. I'm not sure why. Maybe because I'm whispering. He says, but you look great. Thanks Robin. Thanks Benjamin. Reeves Smith. Hey Alkin, thank you very much. And Benjamin again. Hey, I'm going on a date in a bit. Oh, Alkin, best of luck, my brother. It'll all work out perfectly well. You're gonna steamroll it. Just be yourself. Love you. Tell me how it goes later. Yeah, have a happy time, Alkin. It's always a beautiful thing to go on a date. Benjamin says, did the top come off the cards? And I better go, guys. I gotta go do a circle. What's it called? I'm scooting with my beautiful daughter. So have a lovely day. Lots of love to you all. Thanks for watching. Give it a share. Share this message on for others to learn.